Hi, Puppy here. Ever seen one of these? Digital protractor, right? Well, this one, the legs were, come on you, that long, right? Well, you see, this is for my shear line. Specifically, task 1. Here's my V-way. Here's my headstock. All right, I want to swing it. So what I do, make believe this is my shear line lathe here. Okay. You see the front of my headstock and the V-ways. Well, before I set it over, when it's keyed in the, it's keyed down, supposed to be parallel to the axis of the machine, right? Anyway, you come up against the headstock and the V-way zeroed out. Like so. And let's say you want to swing the headstock over. Let's say that's our angle. 10 degrees. Well, you slip this baby up against the V-ways after you lock it down, of course, right? You can swing your headstock, get it very, very close. This baby reads to 1/10 of a degree with a idiot digit that pops up at 5. But for what I'm using it for, that's more than precise enough. Say, how did I do this? Well, I told you why. Now, how did I do this abominable thing? Right? Take a perfectly good tool and chop 5 inches, more than 5 inches off of its length. Eye gauging. Well, now I have the raw stock for a couple of custom made 5.5-inch rules. But more importantly, my digital protractor now, when I've got it at 90, God, 90.3, that's good guessing, huh? That is good guessing. Anyway, when I've got this at down, this will fit between the headstock and the cross slide. Or, so I say, the saddle. The cross slide rides on the saddle. Yeah. Other one. With that there, No, it would not fit between headstock and saddle. And, oh, leave this one alone. Yeah, no. No, 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 no. There. Now, I have been wrestling with, do I want to put a nice little radius here? Or maybe after I get them flat and the same length, come down and, well, then I run into this. So that's useless. So I'm figuring I'm just going to get this nice and straight. Have a 2-inch. Hi, I'm back. I went out to the shop and I did a little bit of belt sanding. I attached a couple of JPEGs in a 20-second clip. Oh, I'm attaching a couple of JPEGs in a 20-second clip to this. Oh, I did a real good job wrapping this baby up. There we go. See, I wrapped it in the blue tape. Yes. That is better. There. The exact right size so I can adjust the angle of my shear line headstock with digital precision.
What the hell do you want, dog?